Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to switch to a creator account on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your device and go to your Profile tab by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner to open the Settings and Privacy menu. In this menu, find and tap on the Account option. Now, you will see an option called Switch to Business Account. Tap on this. Click on Next several times until you reach the end. TikTok will ask you to choose a category that best describes your account. Select a category from the list that fits your content and tap Next. You may be prompted to provide some additional information, such as your gender. You can choose to fill this out or skip it by tapping Done. That's it. You've successfully switched to a creator account on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.